Hey, what's up, guys? Frank here with another video, and today I wanted to talk about some Amazon merch rejections that I got. And this one is going to be very important that you listen to this because this is why you should always ask Amazon merch why your design gets rejected. Okay, so in my case I uploaded 4 designs, okay, not just one, but I uploaded 4 designs, and basically it's just a bunch of the same variant. Okay, and so what I did is that I have these designs about miles to go, which is basically a running designs, um the running designs, mile to go, and then I have the black version, and then I just have 2 versions of the same designs in both white and black. Okay, so that makes 4 designs, and these 4 designs got rejected. And first of all, the first thing that happened is that for these 4 designs, I got this email saying, "Hey, your designs got rejected, the product, and it appears that the designs appear to violate some content policies." Okay, so related to trademarks, a copyright. This is a very usual email that you get if you get the rejection from Amazon merch. Okay, and so the first thing that I did is that I checked on all my listing to see if I had any trademarks. Okay, so in my case, it looks all good. Okay, so when I check the trademarks, nothing is really registered. I mean, yes, there's some red, but it's not registered. Okay, so the registration ended or whatever, so it's okay. So what I did is that in these 4 cases, I basically went into the resources and contacted the Amazon merch support, and I told them, hey, I have 4 designs that got rejected, and I think this is a mistake. Okay, there's no trademark in these things. Okay, this is what I did, and the reply that they gave me is that, thank you for your inquiry. After reevaluation of the designs in question, we have decided to reverse our decisions. Please resubmit your T-shirt through the Merch by Amazon program. And so basically, I had 4 designs, these 4 designs that got rejected. And when I asked Amazon Merch what happened to these designs, then they decided to reverse the decision about these rejections. Okay? So this is why it's very important that you should always, first of all, you should always check that your design is fine. And if you think that your design is fine, you should always ask Amazon Merch, hey, what is happening with my designs? Okay, try to understand. You should try to understand. This is what I'm saying. Okay, and so in this case, since my designs got reversed, I wanted to know if when these things happen, they actually reverse the penalty on your account. Okay, because when you get a rejection, you get a penalty on your account, and I'm assuming that after a few penalties, you lose your account. And so I wanted to make sure that when these kinds of things happen, that the penalty are also reversed. So I asked the question, what happened to these penalties when these designs get reversed? So the reply from the Amazon customer service was that when rejected designs are reversed, so are many so are any account penalties or violation pertaining to them. Your account will not be affected as your designs have been approved. So basically, what the person is saying is that when your rejected designs are reversed, the penalties and the violation related to the account are also reversed. So this is a really good thing to know, okay? And so in this case, in this story, I had 4 designs that were rejected and that were basically fine. And by asking Amazon Merch for some clarification, they decided to reverse their decision. And by reversing their decision, they basically reverse the violation on my account. Okay, so this is why you should always ask what is happening with your rejected designs. You should first of all check that everything is fine, but you should always ask Amazon Merch what is happening. But in my case, I could probably re-upload them without any problem, but I don't think I want to deal with them anymore. I just think I'm gonna delete them and not deal with them anymore. Okay. And so I hope that this video was helpful to you, and let me know if you have any question. Okay. Peace.